And we're taking a live look right now from Honda of Lincoln. You can see the rain continues to fall. Kind of a dreary day out there for sure. Cloudy skies. The high temperature for the day, 47 degrees, happened a little after midnight this morning. I think it was 12:25 to be exact. And temperatures have been falling slowly throughout the day. We've been holding pretty steady through the afternoon, and our temperatures won't move a whole lot tonight going into tomorrow morning. Now, officially, we're up to an inch of rain at the airport in Lincoln. I went back and looked. The record is 1.6 inches. We may come close to that. It's an old record from back in the late 1890s. We've picked up 8300s over towards northeast Wesleyan, 7/10 on the east side of town, over an inch on the south side of town, and down on the southwest side of town, we're approaching 1 inch of rain. Look back to the west and you can see higher totals. Aurora coming in at 1.5 inches. The Tri-Cities coming in well over an inch of rain. We'll show you out towards Wood River. We've got 1.33 inches, and down towards Minden over an inch of rain, and higher totals even yet as you head down towards Holdridge, Loomis, and Bertrand, where we're talking 1.5 inches to nearly 2 inches of rain. Well, the rain continues to fall across much of the area. Now, some of this is now starting to mix in with a little snow out towards Grand Island. There's some pictures coming in of a little bit of snow on some grassy surfaces out that direction. Heavier rain totals down towards, or I should say rain falling right now down towards the Red Cloud area. Right now in Lincoln, it's all relatively light, although there are some pockets of moderate rain off to the south and west that will begin to move in over the next couple of hours. And as I mentioned, you can see out to the west where some of this rain is changing over to snow, or at least where the computer or the radar is hinting at where this is starting to change over. As we go through the rest of the evening, you'll notice the rainfall continues on. Now, I think after midnight, maybe even 2 o'clock in the morning, I think is when the rain should completely shut down, at least in the Lincoln area. Notice by 11 o'clock, still holding on to some very light showers. Air temperatures by that point will still be sitting in the low 40s, so no concern as far as any freezing temperatures. Now, out towards Grand Island, we may see temperatures dropping a little bit more out there, so we'll have to watch out for that. But as far as how much additional rainfall, Stormcast suggesting about 1/3 of an inch, at least in the Lincoln area. And keep in mind, that's just one computer model. Temperature-wise, it's significantly cooler than this time yesterday. Remember when we had that nice sunshine outside? Maybe a little breezy, but temperatures were nice into the 60s. Well, it's not the case today. It's 42 right now in Lincoln. It's 43 in Beatrice, but look out to the west. It's sitting in the low 30s out in Grand Island, as well as in Kearney, and sitting at 35 degrees in Hastings. Now, I think overnight our temperatures will actually hang mainly in the mid-30s to right around 40 degrees, with some gusts at times to 25 miles per hour. Now, tomorrow, you may think we were going to see some sunshine as that system moves to the east, but that's not going to be the case. You go up about 4,000 feet above the ground, and the air is actually going to start to warm instead of cool like normal. That warmer air aloft is going to lock in some low-level clouds through the day tomorrow, mainly below 4,000 feet. So expect to see a mainly cloudy day, I think, for most of tomorrow. If you were to get up in an airplane and fly for about 4,500 feet above the ground, it'd be completely clear outside. So that's just not going to be the case tomorrow. But even though with the clouds, we'll still see temperatures returning back into the mid-50s to upper 50s, with winds out of the northeast only at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now, rain returns to the area for Wednesday, probably more towards Wednesday evening into Wednesday night, and throughout the day on Thursday. We start turning dry again by Friday, and temperatures start going up. 68 degrees on Friday, 78 degrees by Saturday. There will be some scattered showers returning to the area for Mother's Day. Also turns a little bit on the windy side, with temperatures right around 80 degrees. And then we start warming up early next week with highs in the middle to upper 80s, and a chance for thunderstorms middle of next week.